Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
The fuel composition sensor measures the ethanol-to-petrol ratio in vehicles equipped with flexible fuel systems. It sends its readings to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which adjusts parameters such as fuel delivery and ignition timing in response. If the PCM detects the wrong electrical signal from the fuel composition sensor, it will set engine code P0178. What does P0178 mean? Diagnostic Trouble Code, DDC, P0178 indicates fuel composition sensor circuit low. Also known as the flexible fuel sensor, the fuel composition sensor measures the percentage of ethanol in the fuel. Most vehicles can only burn fuels containing a maximum of 10 to 15% ethanol alcohol before their engines start to develop problems. This is because ethanol fuel has a higher octane rating and burns less well than gasoline. A flexible fuel system allows the vehicle to burn fuel containing up to 85% ethanol, E85. Also known as a flexible fuel sensor, the fuel composition sensor measures the percentage of ethanol in the fuel. It sends the appropriate frequency-modulated signal to the PCM. Lower voltages indicate low ethanol levels, while higher voltages show that the ratio is biased towards ethanol. Readings from the fuel composition sensor tell the PCM how to adjust parameters such as the amount of fuel sprayed into the engine, cylinders and the ignition timing of the spark plugs. This makes the sensor and its electrical circuit invaluable in ensuring that the engine receives the right amount of ethanol. The PCM regularly checks the signals from the fuel composition sensor. If the signal voltage is lower than it should be, the computer will set code P0178 fuel composition sensor circuit low level. Note that the definition of code P0178 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the common causes of code P0178? Faulty fuel composition sensor, faulty PCM, obsolete PCM software requiring updating, problems with fuel composition sensor wiring or connectors. What are the common symptoms of code P0178? Check engine light on engine performance problems, such as stalling and poor performance, engine won't start, more fuel consumed and wasted. How to diagnose code P0178? DDC P0178 is a generic engine code. It applies to many OBD-compatible vehicles that may burn flexible fuel. If you're not sure whether you can perform diagnostic tests on your vehicle's fuel position sensor circuit, it's a good idea to take it to a professional mechanic. Otherwise, you can go ahead and diagnose the problem yourself. How to repair code P0178? Trying to repair a P0178 code can become a frustrating task if you don't have the right tools and knowledge to test the faulty fuel composition sensor, PCM, and wiring. In most cases, it's best to leave the job to the professionals. For do-it-yourselfers with advanced technical knowledge and practical experience who prefer to test and replace their vehicle's fuel composition sensor themselves, it will be helpful to rely on the appropriate repair manual or refer to an online repair database. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0178 is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and efficiency. This code indicates a low-level issue with the fuel composition sensor circuit, which can lead to improper fuel mixture and reduced engine efficiency. By addressing this problem promptly, you can avoid more significant issues down the line. Always consult a professional mechanic for accurate diagnostics and repairs. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more automotive insights.